Yeah, I know what very soon will try me every year clear. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
Please, I'm looking for youngest landlord hotel and apartment.
How can I help you?
Are you that makes it easier. Thank you. I'm here to apply for the position of financial secretary.
Oh, financial secretary.
Yes.
Where is your application?
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is it. 5 information you will need.
Okay.
I embedded there.
Okay. To the managing director, youngest landlord hotels and apartments. Sir, application for the post of a financial secretary. I am Ambassador Solomon. I want to inform the hotel that I am resuming work tomorrow by 8 a.m. as the financial secretary to the hotel. Whether the hotel like it or not, I must work. And note, my working for the hotel is on 5 years contract, not only 1 month. Whether the company like it or not, you will see me tomorrow by 8 a.m. Okay, yours sincerely, Ambassador Solomon. Hotel where you never even know. You don't say you want to resume work tomorrow by 8 a.m. Say now 5 years, you want to work for the hotel. With pride.
No, sir. Normally, we don't get choice. I work 5 years. I have a lot to give to this hotel, youngest landlord hotel and apartment.
Okay. What about your family and your guarantor?
My family, no. My family, they are not in Nigeria. They're there for Togo. Now only me one. I your Benin. Yes. And my guarantor, honestly, my God.
Okay, what about your working experience?
I know they give out my working experience anyhow. So I decided to keep it for youngest landlord hotel and apartment so that I can use the experience which I will garner from here to manage the resources that will come in.
Okay. What about your qualification, your certificate in school?
Hey! Okay, you mean my result?
Yes.
School sat.
School sat?
Yeah, school sat. I'm a graduate. Primary 6.
Primary 6?
Yes. Living certificate.
Primary 6 result now you get?
Yes, sir.
Correct. You don't get the work. And you want to be financial secretary, primary 6. No problem. Sit down.
I should sit down.
I will give you the work, no problem.
Thank you very much, sir.
May I come wait and I may bring the book, the sales book. May I for show you everything.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Thank God. Come, bring sales book, come. You carry ticket.
You don't forget to tell him to add the chicken and mortar.
No problem. Share you bring the sales book, then you bring the record book.
The two.
The injury book, no problem. Keep on. Okay, yeah.
You get accident?
No, man, no, this. He go sell cigar for customer, he not collect money. So now my PA come and rage and we come call it.
My brother, thank God, though. And my name, they follow me. If not, I would not die this morning.
No. There's something I'm not getting clear here. Wait, is it that he sell 1 packet of cigar, he not collect money?
No, 1 stick of cigar.
1 stick? 15 naira. Now na bitter like this.
Now those records, now you want to take. You get your work.
You don't wait
first.
Run, no.
Okay, don't they learn lessons small.
You use the other one, take the serve and collect money. So that the other one don't drink.
Bros, well done.
How come when I no put? There's no name written here now.
They don't write anything for this book because they wait for you. Now you as a financial secretary now go to use this book where anything never did. Because as a financial secretary, how many times you go say maybe money not correct, you take the record, you sign. How many times we injure you, maybe we blind your eye, you take. You see my waiter now, he get you. He start today now, so you don't almost fool. How many times we cut your ear or cut your nose or cut your mouth, you take the record, you sign, you see put just sincerely Ambassador Solomon.
Sir, I don't understand. You they tell me now say because normally I come here come get this job. So I think say my work majorly now to manage the funds, the resources of this hotel, youngest landlord hotel and apartment. Which one can be say I don't know say so wait, me now go see they manage my own injury. The number of times they beat me, I go write and down.
Yeah,
The number of times where they blind my eye, I go write and down.
will be documented.
I don't want. So they go for here.
No, don't worry. You like the job. You like the job.
Okay, I no work again. No.
Okay, you do this work. Now for us,
Yes.
you go do this work because you never know how work be. Then you carry big belly like who village people dey worry. So you want to become financial secretary of this great hotel.
I know they do now for.
But the school set you get. Me when be say I graduate from Abu Salim University, AAU. I graduated with BSc, first class upper.
Yes.
Even me say I keep person for this hotel, na bounce I dey do. Then you come with primary C school set with confidence, with pride. Say you want to become financial secretary.
And I say we go start work tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. whether we like it or not. La Vista, go start am. Go start am. Make sure say you start am.
Okay, you will work. See, follow me. Follow me.
Now, even road to go to, I cannot take.
See, I might tell you.
This man!
For saving me time.